What's up guys, today's video is on the best dog grooming scissors. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Master Grooming Tools. If you are looking for an all-purpose pair of grooming scissors, look into Master Grooming Tools Titanium Straight Pet Grooming Shears. We found them to be the most effective all-purpose grooming tool. Their 6.5-inch blade offers a jolly medium that can be used on larger and smaller dogs. The shears are made of top-quality materials with titanium-coated steel blades which are non-allergenic and long-lasting. The shears come with silencers and finger rests to ensure that clipping is more comfortable for both you and your dog, and also adjustable tension to ensure perfect control. Of course, there is no way that a pair of shears can be flawless of all things. The straight blade is easier to trim small spaces, however it can make the dog's fur look even. The blade is large enough to make fine-tuning difficult, especially for small dogs. Number 2. Kenchii Dog Grooming Scissors. We like these Kenchii Show Gear curved ball-tip shears for their excellent cost and excellent design. These stainless steel shears come with an angled blade that allows you to cut along the curvature of your dog's body. They also have ball tips that enhance the safety of your dog, making it less likely to cut accidentally. The flat screw assembly allows you to easily adjust the tension. They also have soft ring inserts as well as finger rests, which can be included to make your scissors more comfortable to use. We loved these shears and felt they were an excellent value for the price. There were some drawbacks. A few reviewers on the internet said that even with the tension adjuster, these offered a greater resistance that they prefer. The shears are also longer than the average set of shears, however they're not as durable like the other shears listed on this list. Number 3. CONAIRPRO Scissors for Dog and Cat. Are you a parent of a wavy puppy that has an unruly coat? Do you have a puppy with a messy coat? CONAIRPRO Dog Rounded Tip Shears is the ideal option to groom puppies because of their compact size and the rounded tips. The shears are available in 3 sizes that are suitable for medium, small as well as large dogs. They have rounded tips, which ensure that they are much less likely to create injury or cuts to your dog, even when he is wriggling. As your puppy grows, they can graduate into finishing shears for small details, such as on the eye area and the pads on the paws. The reviews also mention that they're light and comfortable. We love these shears, but however, you should know that they're designed for final work, which means they won't be able to cut the same amount of hair as you would like in a single cut. This is especially true for the 5-inch version. This means that you will get a longer cut for both you and your dog. You may be tempted to get a bigger size in order to keep it from happening, but the smaller scissors can aid in cutting precisely. These scissors are also inexpensive. They're not likely to stand up to the wear and tear of years as more expensive ones would. Number 4. SHARF Rainbow Pet Grooming Scissors. SHARF Gold Touch Rainbow Grooming Shears is a fantastic option that's durable in time. They also come with a shiny finish that will surely bring a smile to your face. These scissors have a gentle curve that will assist in cutting through the contours of your dog's body. The curly scissors can take some time to get used to, but at the end of the day, they can assist you in cutting faster and more efficiently. The handles have removable rubber rings that aid to reduce the fatigue of your fingers as time passes. They are a little more expensive choice, but even if your dog isn't in need of regular grooming, these might not be worth it. Number 5. Precise Cut Dahlia Dog Shears. If you are looking for a top-quality pair of scissors that can endure use and abuse, then Precise Cutting Dahlia Curved Dog Shears make a top option. These scissors come with a bigger blade, 7.5 or 8.5 inches, with a soft curve that allows you to move your dog's body less difficult and gives you smooth edges. The larger blade means they're not the best choice for smaller or tighter dogs. They're built with offset thumbs and adjustable fingers rests, which increase the comfort for you. The design is light and balanced to reduce strain on your fingers and make them enjoyable to use. The reviews on the other Precise Cut products show that they have a good reputation for being simple to sharpen. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.